How to change nickname in Binance app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your nickname in the Binance app, whether you are updating it for personalization or branding. Just follow the simple steps to make the changes. And now without further ado, let's get started. So first, open the Binance app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you are inside the app, simply tap on your profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And once you are on your profile page, simply tap on your profile name in the top left section. And this will take you to the new page displaying your account details. And now, to edit your nickname, simply tap on the edit icon next to your current name. And on the next screen, you'll see a field containing your current nickname. So simply tap on it and enter your new nickname. And remember, Binance allows you to change it only once every 30 days. And after entering the new nickname, simply tap on save and that's it. Now your updated nickname will be reflected on your Binance profile. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.